a senior that needs to have more energy? Well, today on the Rebounder, we're doing some easy to follow steps. Come and join me. Let's go. Start with a health bounce. That's right. High Fed Fitness. Soft knees, push down the whole foot. Step side to side. Heels and heel digs. Toe taps. Yes, adjustable handle. And circle your arms. Step touch, circle your arms. Other way. Now up and down. And push down. Step. All right. Step it out. Make sure you're engaging that core. All right. Next song. All right. Slow it down a minute. Good job. All right. Let's go to the next song. We're going to step up and back. Up and back. Other leg. That's right. Soft land. Now out in. Switch to the other side. Out, out, in, in. Out and in. That's level one. You want to pick it up? Out and in, bounce. Keeping it low. In, out. Double in, double out. Out and in, out and in. Singles. Let's go. double, and double. Just finish off that song. Step out and in. Amen.
Bounce with me. Fat fitness, happy and free.
Yes. Fed Fitness, sponsor of this trampoline. Fed Fitness. All right. We're going to do a little sway. If you have to hold on, that's okay. I'm soften the knees, swaying side to side. Push.
You don't need to move too fast. Small beginnings always last. One more step and one
All right, bigger arms now.
Keep on moving all the while. Strong and steady, that's the key. Becoming who you want to be.
Now, let's do some squats.
Don't you quit.
Down and up. Squeeze the glutes as you come up.
Every bounce can help you grow more than you will ever know. Consistency will light the way. One good
Push the hips back. You're pushing the hips back, so you're not going over the knees. Push the hips back.
best kind of victory.
We're going to do a challenge in August. 25 squats a day.
Showing up.
You can do them on the floor, or you can do them right here on the rebounder.
Trust the right strength.
I found it easier to not hold the handle to do the squat, because you can push further back. Push further back. You can hold on with one arm if you want.
Every step is something new, and every
Tighten the core.
bounce helps you rebounding with
Yes. So we're going to do 25 of those a day. If you have knee issues, you might want to skip that. All right, let's just shake it out.
look how far you're gonna go.
And I think this might be the last song. I think. Oh, last song. All right. Scissors. Ready?
Gather around. There's a little joy that I found. The beat came soft, land feels so right. Let's get moving, morning, noon, and night. Shoo-ba, shoo-ba, take a little chance. Every little bounce is a happy dance. Shoo-ba, shoo-ba,
Double scissors.
come on and bounce your cares away. Bounce happy today.
Pick it up. Singles. Come on.
Soft land comfort under your feet makes every workout feel so sweet.
Single, single, double. Single, single, double. Single, single, double.
And you're on the move.
Single, single, double.
Pre-assembled and ready to go. No long setup, just start the show.
Singles now. Pop the legs up. Good for the whole body. Working all 638 muscles in your body today. All right. Step it out. Yeah. Any time of the day. We're going to do a slow twist. Squeeze the inner thighs together. Push down. Really good for the waist and the obliques. Oh yeah, I feel it on my thighs. Come on, finish strong.
Let's enjoy
Step it out. Let me step off and check. All right, BT4. You can. Active seniors, beginners.
Rebounder made for you. Rebounding with Cheryl. Come on, let's go. Bounce to better health. Nice and low.
Yeah. Bounce to better health with Fed Fitness and the Can. Woo, all right. And that's it for today. Thank you for joining me. If you want any information on this trampoline, I will put it in the description, and be sure to reach out to me if you have any questions. Love questions. I always comment, and I'll see you next time. Bye.